will be talking about horizontal lines and line breaks. We will learn how to use horizontal lines and line breaks to structure our web page. Let's begin with horizontal lines. In HTML, the HR tag is used to create a horizontal line, and to write the HR tag, which is the horizontal line tag, this is how you go about it. So first you have your angle bracket, HR, and then like this. It's a self-closing tag. So this is how it's going to be. I can have a paragraph here and say this is a paragraph. And beneath the paragraph, I have the horizontal line tag. So you can see that over here, the line is very thin. It's a horizontal line. The break tag is used to create a line break. So whenever you want to start a new line, you can use the break tag without necessarily writing a new paragraph. Let's do an illustration. So I have this paragraph. So this paragraph. Okay, so this paragraph is about line breaks. If you want this line breaks on a new line, you can just insert the tag here by just writing BR. And then this line breaks will be on a new line, as you can see over here. So the line break is used to create a new line without necessarily creating a paragraph.